Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. The long-awaited wage settlement of bankers has been signed on 11th November 2020. I had made two videos describing the summary of main points of joint notes for officers and workmen employees. In these videos, I have also explained the area calculator which have been designed by me for the purpose of calculation of areas and new salary. The link of these videos are given in the description portion below this video. However, I was receiving few queries regarding the process of downloading and using the calculators. So in this video, I will explain you how to download and step by step use of these calculators. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin the topic. You can see this is the video for banks, workmen, employees, and similar video I have made for bank offices also. For downloading the video, you have to follow the simple steps like first of all, if you have not subscribed our channel, please click on this subscribe button, and after that you just click on this like button so that I can get the motivations to make the useful videos for you in the future also. After that, you just click on this bell button to get the notifications of all videos uploaded by me in the future. So after these simple steps, you have to just click on this uh, Google Drive link. So this first calculator is for bank officers and second calculator is for workmen employees. So first of all, we can see the calculator for workmen employees. You have to just right click on this calculator and click on download. After that, you just click on this save file and click on OK. Now, in this portion, just click, and this is the edit calculator for workman employees. Now, double click on this calculator. I have made this video first, so I have given this video with password protection. But I was receiving many queries that they are not able to remember the password. So I have removed that password in the file which have been uploaded by me on the Google Drive. So when you will open the file, this is the file. You have to just click on this enable editing, and after that you have to click on this enable the macro button so that your calculation is perfect. After this, you will find this message. So now you have to fill your basic details in this calculator. So I will explain you by filling the details. First of all, in this you have to select your scale, whether you are in clerical or in subordinate staff. I will start with clerical. So now you have to select the residence city for HRA purpose. So in this, I will select places with population of 12 lakhs. Then you have to click yes or no. Are you eligible for housing allowance? If you are eligible, then click on yes. Otherwise, no. Now you have to select are you eligible for 150% HRA? Some employees are getting 150% HRA. If you are one of them, you just click on yes. Uh, After that, you have to click are you eligible for provident fund? So you have to click yes. And if you are not eligible for provident fund, then you have to click no. After that, you have to select are you covered by new pension scheme? If you are covered, then click on yes, otherwise no. I will select no. So after that, you have to give the details in this cells. So suppose in November 2017, your basic pay is 30,230 and your special pay was 1280 and PQP was 0 and fixed personal pay was 1310 and transport allowance you were getting 470 and washing allowance you were getting 150 and cycle allowance you are getting nothing and split duty allowance you are getting 150 and you are getting project area allowance of 200 and you are also getting some special allowance of rupees 500. So you have to fill 500 in this. After that, suppose your basic pay has been changed in November 2018. So you have to select the month like November 2018 from here. And suppose now you have drawing the base salary of 31,540 and your special pay has been increased to 1930 and PQP is 0 and fixed personal pay is 1310, transport allowance is 470, washing allowance 150, cycle allowance 100, split duty area allowance 100, project area allowance 200, and you are getting 500 as special allowance. So suppose after that your basic has not changed, so you don't need to fill anything. But if any month your basic pay or any other allowance has been changed, so in that case, you have to select that month and you have to fill all the details. And here you have to fill the period for which you want to calculate the areas. Suppose you want to calculate the areas for the month November 17 to September 20 only. So after that, you have to just click on this button. Click here for summary of net increase in salary. When you will click on this will give you the details of all the areas for the period November 17 to September 20. This will show increase in gross salary before provident fund and new pension scheme. This is the amount of increase in PF. This is the increase in new pension scheme and total increase is this one. And out of this amount will be credited to your provident fund account and this amount will be credited to your bank account but subject to TDS and amount received in advance. So suppose you want to see the new salary. So for that you have to click on this button and this is the breakup of November 17 salary old versus new. So in this you can see that you are getting 9740 9747 increase in this salary of November 17. But suppose you want to see the salary of September 20. So in that case, you have to select the month of September 20. And suppose you want to get the salary of January 21. So that is also possible in this calculator. And now suppose now you want to see the month wise breakup of areas so that you can find out in this tab areas. This is the tab in which you can find the month wise old salary versus new salary and the net increase in this per month. And now you can click on this button. This will show you the list of all the videos which I have uploaded on the YouTube channel for the purpose of education. So now we can close this file. So now I will show you the calculator for bank officers. So for that you have to just click on this file and right click and click on download. So after that you have to click on OK. In this file also I have removed the password. You have to just double click on this file and you have to click on enable editing. After that you have to enable macros. You will find this message. Just click on OK. Now you have to select your scale. Suppose I am selecting scale 3. After that you have to select residence city. I will select this, and after that you have to fill yes or no. So I will select yes. After that you are you eligible for 150% HRA? Then again yes. After that, are you eligible for Provident Fund? Then yes. Are you eligible for new pension scheme? No. Then you have to give your old basic in the month of November 2017. Suppose I was getting 57,330. Then PQP is 0. Then you have to select your city's compensatory allowance. Then fixed personal pay and any allowance which you are getting. Suppose I am getting 600 rupees per month. After that, the month in which your basic pay has been changed, that month you have to select from this. So suppose my salary has been basic say has been changed in May 2018. After that my basic pay has been increased to 58. Then PQB is 0 and city compulsory allowance is 870. Fixed personal pay is 1310 and I am getting 600 as additional allowance. After that, suppose my basic pay has been changed in November 19 and basic pay is my same, but I'm getting PQP, so I will select this. Then city compulsory allowance, PQP, and 600. After that, suppose in my basic pay has again been changed in March 2020, so I will select the basic pay, which is again 58,790, but now I am getting the PQP of 1680. Then city compulsory allowance is 870. Fixed personal pay is 1310 and 600 is my additional allowance. So after that we have to select the period for which I want to get the aerial calculation. Suppose I want to get the calculation from November 2017 to November 2020. So I will select November 2020 and after that I will click on here for new salary slip. So from here I can find out my increase in salary, and in this month you can change for from the period number 17 to January 2021. So suppose I'm getting December 2020. So this is the breakup of my new selling slip, and we can come to home, and now we want to get the area calculation. So for that you have to click on this. So from this you can find out the amount of areas which you will get from November 17 to November 20. So again we come to home page, and if you click on this link, you will find all the videos which I have uploaded on YouTube channel for the education purpose. So friends, if you like this video, please press like button and share this video to your friends and colleagues. Consider subscribing my channel and click on bell button to get notifications of latest videos uploaded on time. Thank you friends for giving your valuable time in watching this video.